This is $1 million bill. Has your company lost any of these lately? You may say no, but if your people don't trust each other or work together to solve problems, you are incurring financial losses like this that are not being measured or reported. These losses are caused by your culture. One of my clients saved $2,500 by buying cheaper parts, but lost $4 million as a result of this decision. I find losses like this everywhere I go. In this case, silos were to blame. Success was measured by cost savings, but in fact, the loss was 1,600 times greater than that savings. When employees don't trust each other, companies lose money. When people are not free to speak about problems, companies lose money. When departments don't work together to solve problems, companies lose money. All of these losses come from the culture, and all of them can be eliminated with loss reduction training and coaching designed to meet management teams right where they are in the change process. As a world leader in loss reduction strategies, my goal is to share all of my knowledge and experience with your management team. I will help you shift to a loss reduction culture. Your people will know how to identify losses, build trust, and work together to reduce them. They will be able to solve problems that they have never been able to solve before. Great things happen when employees are empowered to chase their losses. More money, fewer problems, happier people. Are you ready to start looking for some of these? Call me to schedule a free consultation.